In this video, I'll show you how to create a $% off promotion in the admin. The $% off is a promotion that gives the customer either a value off or a percent off. In this video, let's do a buy two, get the next one at 20% off. To create promotions, go to the menu, Concessions, and then Promotions. Click the Add button. Here, choose the $% off promotion type. Enter a name for the promotion. Select a promotion item from the drop-down. Make sure that you have created a promotion item before making a promotion. And then you can fill out the other fields as well. Next, indicate a promotion duration. You can leave this blank if you will run this promo indefinitely. Then, in Triggers and Rewards, you may set the price level. Next, add the trigger. Since we're doing a buy two, get the next one at 20% off, let's add an item as trigger and input 2 in the quantity field. And then add the 20% off reward. Then since it's a discount on the next item, don't forget to also add the same item in the rewards section. And that's how you create one example of a $% off promotion. But remember that you are not limited to a buy one get one type of promo. You may also give a 10% off for all your items in your store, exclude certain types of items from your promotion, and many more. Given the flexibility of creating promotions in KRISP, you can create your own different combinations of trigger and rewards, whether simple or complex. Just reach out to us through our website if you want to schedule a demo, or visit our website in the description for more information.